Baby, don't move now. Baby, don't move. You gotta stand still right now, where I can see you. There's a feeling in my heart so strange. Baby, I don't want you to change. Just stay the same, and everything will be okay. Promise I will always wait for you to go and find your own way.
Hi guys, and welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Nina, and in today's video I thought I would give you a short tour of my home to show you how I have decorated for fall. If you are one of my loyal subscribers or viewers, you may hear that I sound a bit different. That's because I've been down with a virus, not the virus, but a virus for a couple of weeks. But I so wanted to get this video out, so I thought that before I start coughing, that I would give you a short tour of my house to music, because I think if I do it, I usually do it by walking around and explaining and talking. I don't think I can do that today without coughing a lot, so I hope you enjoy and I hope you get some inspiration. So here is how I have decorated my house for fall.
You're a part of me now, and it's hard sometimes, 'cause I know that when you love someone, you should let them go. And everything will be okay. Promise I will always wait for you to go and find your own way. We don't have no time to lose. Past the sun, past the moon. I will always say it all you. My time for you. And everything will be okay. Promise I will always wait for you to go and find your own way.
Okay guys, that was my fall house tour for 2021. I hope you found some inspiration or got some ideas. I don't do a lot of decor, at least not compared to a lot of the other YouTubers, and I used to not like fall decor because of the colors, but I'm kind of getting into it and finding my own style, so now I enjoy it a lot. As you may have noticed, I have used most of my money on faux flowers or leaves or greenery and pumpkins. I think you can go a long way with if you put some money into faux flowers and textiles, pillows, blankets, that can change a home a lot and make it very cozy. So that's my one tip of the day. As I said, we've been ill for or I've been sick for a week, and now it's my husband's turn. So I didn't get to kind of clean and get the house in order like I usually do when I have a house tour, but usually the camera is very forgiving, so I hope you didn't see too much of the dust and the dirt, and yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm actually going to our cabin today with my daughter and my grandson, and staying for a few days, and then I'm coming back for a couple of days, and then I'm going back with my husband. So coming up on my channel now is Halloween videos, and I can't wait to get into those. Yeah. Okay guys, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye.
We don't have